Hi, today I would like to talk about summary process import and export Samsung Malaysia Elektronik SDN Berhad and Samsung Elektronik Co Ltd. So the first step, Samsung Malaysia Elektronik SDN Berhad, or we can call as a SME, will purchase order mobile phone model Samsung S10 from Samsung Elektronik Co Ltd in Korea. So SME will purchase order from website that Samsung Elektronik Co Ltd provide for the hub Samsung around the world. So the second step is Samsung Elektronik Co Ltd in Korea will confirm the order Samsung S10 from Samsung Malaysia Elektronik. So the Samsung Elektronik Co Ltd will appoint KCTC International Ltd as a forwarding agent. The step number 3, Samsung Elektronik Co Ltd and Samsung Malaysia Elektronik will booking confirmations detail of a model Samsung the detail of mobile phone model Samsung S10. They also will confirmation date and time of the shipments, freight rate, container identifications, detail of the ship loading and the discharge spot. So the next step, Samsung Elektronik Co Ltd will instruct Han Transport as a haulage for the pickup the empty container. Step number 5, Han Transport will pick up the container from container depot in Korea. Step number 6, empty container will delivery to the warehouse of Samsung Elektronik Co Ltd. When the empty container was delivered, the process of loading the model of Samsung S10. Step number 7, Samsung Elektronik Co Ltd will instruct the KCTC International agents to prepare the export clearance like invoice, packaging list, certificate of origin, and other necessary documents to export mobile phone Samsung S10. Next, agents KCTC will provide declarations through EDI. EDI is in Electronic Data Interchange. And then the agent KCTC will get approval from custom to the export Samsung to export mobile phone Samsung S10 to the Malaysia. So next, KCTC agent will notify Samsung Elektronik Co Ltd for the custom approval. Step number 11, Samsung Elektronik Co Ltd will seal container instruct haulage to delivery container to the port of a loading and provide a shipping instruction to the carrier. Step number 12, carrier will provide bill of landing BL to the Samsung Ltd. Next step, Samsung Co Ltd carrier BL and relate to document to the buyer such as an invoice, packaging list, and other. Step number 14, hand over document to the agents for the import clearance and pay the duty. Step number 15, custom in Malaysia will give approval to shipments Samsung model S10 in Malaysia. Step number 16, Samsung Malaysia Elektronik will get notified for the custom approval. Next, Samsung Malaysia Elektronik will instruct a Shepherd Samsung company to pick up a cargo at the port of discharge. Step number 18, cargo will delivery to the Samsung Malaysia warehouse, which is Samsung warehouse in Malaysia, and the process of unloading of Samsung S10. And the last step, container will bring back to the container depot.